Hello, so if you are on an iPad, you can complete this lesson. It's just a little digital activity where you're going to create an animation in Keynote and place it inside of a story. Let me show you, it looks a little bit like this. So you've got a book and you made your animation, but when you open the book, you'll see the animation. And we go and open a presentation. It doesn't matter what color it is, it doesn't matter what type, just do a basic one, I would say, to start with. And what you're going to do is you're going to create two slides. You're going to create a slide and then you're going to do one that's exactly the same as it afterwards. So let me show you what to do. I'm going to create a slide that's all about the story I read earlier in the week called The Girl Who Speaks Bear. So I've done all my drawings and stickers that I want for the first part of my animation. So I'm going to copy that slide and paste. So it's exactly the same, 1 and 2. But then on the second one, I'm going to change it. So this is what I want it to be by the end of my animation. So
what am I going to change it into? Well, I'm going to get rid of some of these people because I want to focus just on the main character who's here, Yanka. She's going to be a bit bigger, and I'm going to write this is Yanka. And maybe some of these houses just for fun might change colour. Why not? We can do a bit of animation. Okay, and then
what you do on the first slide is you press on transition and add transition magic move. So yes, it should now play into the next page. This is Yanka. There we go. We do that for each slide. We copy then and paste it and then make the changes on the next page. Now, I've done all my animations, as you can see. I've done a magic move between each slide. So it all looks quite smooth and this is explaining the story of what happens. So once I've done that, I go on the three dots here and export as a movie. What I make sure is that I maybe leave a couple of seconds between each slide just so that, you know, people can read what happens, and export and then save them to your videos. Then you'll need to get some blue card or green if you have blue or green paper. I'm a bit sunny. Either of them is absolutely fine. Cut it so it's the same size as your book when it's open, so it needs to be the same size as that. So I'm going to cut it down a bit. Now I've placed the blue card inside my book. It's a bit bright here, so I'm going to go here instead. So when I show the book, open it up, it's blue. And so you want to get a video, finally, your video is going to be this. You hold over the book and you push it so it takes up most of the screen. And just hold it there for as long as your animation is, I don't know, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, just hold it there. And then in iMovie, you select your animation, that's your main video. And then you choose the video where you're holding up the blue bit of paper and select it as a green or blue screen. I think that will work just fine. There we go, awesome. You want to get a video, and finally, your video is going to be this. You hold over the book and you push it so it takes up most of the screen. And just hold it there for as long as your animation is, I don't know, 30 seconds. There you go. And you can see that inside of the book, you've created your animation.